Hey everyone, it's Jeff here from YOX.
And I'm Ryan from Plus-Plus.
Today we're doing something really fun. We're building together across our screens because we discovered that YOX and Plus-Plus work together. They're compatible. So that makes some really fun building opportunity.
That's right. We're going to show you how YOX and Plus-Plus can come together to make something really festive and fun for the holidays.
So I'm going to start by building a Christmas tree from YOX, our super durable Y, O, and X-shaped pieces that snap together.
And once you hand it off to me, I'll add some fun festive decorations with Plus-Plus.
So I pulled links from our YOX Mega Builder kit. I've got lots of green Y and X links for all of the foliage, 2 toilet paper tubes for the trunk, and then orange Y and X and blue O's for a little pop of color on the base. We're going to start by building the base, which starts with 2 X links that connect just like so, snap together, and then an O that also snaps on like so, and then all the way around your Y links to create a really stable base. And the last thing you do is put on a toilet paper tube. There's your base. Now we're going to build the midsection. We start by grabbing 2 X's again, connect them with the long slot, then an O on each side. One way to connect those O's is just put one on each side and squeeze, snaps right together. And then we're going to build 2 different kinds of leaves. One looks like this, and one looks like that. Bottom O. 2 Y's, connect them together just like so, and then an X, and it's not going to go in the slot, it's going to go next to the slot, so that it's actually parallel to that Y. See how that connects? The last part we need to build is the top. And then everything goes on the base. A Christmas tree or a YOXmas tree, but it's missing something. I think it needs some ornaments. Ryan, do you think you could help me with that?
Oh wow, Jeff, this is a really cool YOXmas tree. Now I'm just going to add a little Plus-Plus magic to it. I'm going to spruce it up. Get it? Spruce tree? Sorry, that joke. So there's all kinds of ways that Plus-Plus and YOX can interact. I was playing earlier with this little piece of YOX, and look, the Plus-Plus fits right in there perfectly. It's so cool. It's like a match made in heaven. All right, so I'm going to add some candy canes and other things to our tree. We have these cool puzzle by number holiday foil packs for Plus-Plus, and they're great stocking stuffers or just crafts. You can hang them on your tree. So we have a Santa hat, we have some presents, we have candy canes. You can also just use a holiday mix if you have a open-ended holiday mix with red and white and green and gold and silver. Topper, I made this crown here out of gold and silver. I think that'll be a nice topper for our YOXmas tree. All right, Jeff, ready for Christmas. Here you go.
Thank you, Ryan. Now that is an awesome Christmas tree, but I think it could still use a little more, I don't know, neon Plus-Plus bling that will also show off how YOX and Plus-Plus can connect to each other. Check it out. That is a pretty awesome Plus-Plus and YOX Christmas tree.
That was so much fun to build together.
Absolutely. Thank you, Ryan, and to the whole Plus-Plus team for collaborating with us. Now, here's my question for all of you watching. Who are you going to collaborate with this holiday season?
Share this video with somebody you want to build with, and be sure you grab your YOX and your Plus-Plus to make some holiday magic together.
From all of us at YOX
and from all of us at Plus-Plus,
Happy holidays!